All right, let's try this again. I put it on the quick jack because I did not have enough room on my jack stands. So that's the deal. I'm on the quick jack instead. And get a better view. That's the one that's giving me the issues. I'm going to clean that baby up. And I'm going to clean that one up too. I have no idea what this looks like, guys, on this camera. That's that. And that's that. So yeah, I got an order in for, oh, where am I? There I am. I got an order in for, what are they called? The two-piece flanges. So they should be here this afternoon, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Good morning. Okay, I went and did some shopping. So, I grabbed my split flange yesterday. As you can see, it's adjustable, right? It splits in half. You just loosen it up, and that's how I got it on. But I think I'm gonna cut the pipe here. I think that's my best bet in order to get the seal on the H-pipe, because it's really hard to work with the H-pipe in one piece. So the plan is to cut it somewhere around here. Right, I put this on, mark it off, and then put it together and just wrap it once, basically just hold it together with that, and then wrap it with that. And hopefully that will keep it all together. So that's the plan for today. Let's see how she goes. Hello, Cooper. Who's my pretty boy? Yeah. Oh, there's my other boy. There's Manny. Hey, don't get jelly. Leave him alone. Okay, so I got it cut. Now the hard part underneath. I'll try to do some video underneath, but guys, it's really hard to work under a car and do videos. So if I can't get any videoing done, I'll just show the end product once I get the things attached to the headers before I put the hpipe in. Okay, so here we go. Okay, starters, I'm gonna reach down there and clean off the header before I go up underneath and try to hook it up. Oh, I hate working under the car. Alright, here we go. Oh my god. Alright, so get that in a second. Here. Okay, yes guys, I'm sorry, but this is not gonna work for me, so I'll show you what it's like when it's done. Okay guys, got her back in. Not sure if you guys can see that, but there's where I cut it and banded it. And up. Oh, let's get the light. These are the new flanges. Up in place. Well, start it up and see. Wow, not liking that. Good thing I checked it. Okay, got rid of that. So no more gap there, nice and tight. So I'll get up there and see what it sounds like when I fire it up. Alrighty, so I'll set the camera out in the back. Bye-bye. Okay, this is the best I could do about that exhaust leak on this SVO, so it's gonna have to do. Okay guys, I just did a little quick break job on my daughter's car, but didn't really feel like doing any videoing because I just wanted to hang out with my kid for a bit. But I'm not sure what to do next. I got these two out here. Yes, SVO has snow on the back, snow tires, because, traction when this area gets covered. I actually got to get some snows for the back of that thing. My 284s. Loving these.
I like it a lot.
Anyways, guys, I'm not sure what I'm going to work on next, but I'll keep you posted. Ciao.